Hey yo, it's your boy Tay2 Customs. What are you lot saying? Back with another heater, and stay tuned, there's a bonus clip at the end. But I ain't gonna waste no more time, let's get into this custom and kick things off with the prep work. Check it up and then you beat it down. No other way but to lead the clown. Cataclysms of a mad decision with that fan and feeling, but you had to hit him with that deeper sound. And now that I've got a clean surface to work with, I get to do my favorite thing: taping. You're gonna find what you really about. Eat the meat and bones, just spit it out. You're gonna see there's a real rap. Weed it out. At the root, there's no more in the doubt. Riding through it, so you've been about. Ambulances running through the town. No fit. Another project and another lace up. To the young people who have been caught up, it's simply, you don't have to fight all the time. London has been a problem for a while now, but the issue goes deeper than what's been portrayed in the media. I'm talking to you, young king and young queen. I can't say all your actions are valid, but what I can say is that your actions don't define you unless you let them. You don't have to fight all the time. There are people that love, care and value you. Your friends, family, your peoples, youth centers, churches, creative spaces, even this channel are there, so you don't have to fight all the time. Stencils chopped up, but where did I put that transfer tape? Remember the reason you did it for. Whip around the post until they gone. Lost them. Put the shield up for precaution. Let's always let it talking. Pull up the map, then you walk, son. Hit the notes, then you can mark one. Fast forward through the mark, son. Call the committee, you with it, then you better get it. No picking you all, son. Do it, God. Do what it takes to survive. Never believe in the God. Never believe in the God. Keep your vision on the sky. Stencils looking good. Now let's go lay down some paint. Cool, so I'm going to be going for a brick pattern, but before I handle the brick, I need to handle the cement color. So I'm going to take some colors, mix them up, see what I can come up with. Not bad, not bad. I'm happy with that. Alright, cool. Let's go lay it down using the airbrush. Layer number 1, layer number 5. Looking good, no drips, fade marks, looking like it's supposed to. Now for the brick pattern. I found a pattern that I like, so I'm gonna go send it across to the Cricut to let it do its thing. Now that it's all chopped up, all I need to do is remove the bits of the stencil that I don't need. And when I say this was the longest part of the custom, you guys don't even know. And don't let the edit fool you. I had to do this 6 times. Let me just collect myself. Now that the stencil's laid down, I'm gonna mix some paint up and try to get as close to brick orange as I possibly can. Let's do it. And as always, we're gonna be shooting it through the airbrush. Lovely. Orange came out just as I wanted it to. And if you're feeling your boy and all the content that's been coming your way, then follow me on all my social medias, slap a like on this
very video, and do me a favor and just smash that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 200 subs. Let's see if we can make it happen. Now that the paint has laid down, time for the stencil to come up. Let's take it off and see where we're at with it. You know what? It's clean, you know. It's clean. Now to give the shoe some pop, I'm going to be using neon colours from Angelus just to make the graffiti artwork stand out that much more. A pro tip, using a little bit of white helps the neon colours to look less flat. Well, that's for neon colour standards though. Hey yo, shout to my older brother Meroman for hooking him up with this very beat. We got to talking and you might hear more of his music in future videos. If garage is your thing, then definitely wheel up some more of his tunes. He's out on all platforms, I'll drop the links in the description. Colours sorted, now I'm going to take off the rest of the stencils, ready to sort out the line work. Hey, I don't mean to gas myself, but the line work is looking a bit crispy. Now all I have to do is take off the last stencil of the smiley face, making sure I apply as much heat as possible so I don't ruin the black line work. The stencil's up, and I'm going to fill it in with some neon yellow. Looking correct. Looking correct. Now I was at war with myself whether I should keep the Nike swoosh, but on this occasion I decided to do a swoosh delete. This will mean that the artwork will be clear, visible and at the forefront of the shoot. Making sure that quality doesn't drop, I'm applying a little bit of super glue in all the panels that got lifted up when deleting the Nike swoosh. Mad thing, it's stretch time again. I'm taking a drill to a shoe that's taken me so long to design. But I need to make sure that I'm on point because I can't mess it up. Sorted. And you guys know if I've taken out the drill, it can only mean one thing: rope laces. Now I'm not sponsored by these guys in any way, but shout out Chunky Laces. Their laces are serious. A little tape just to help me lace them up. And we're not far now, guys. All I need to do is to lace this thing up. And just like that, we're done. I won't lie to you guys, I had to come strong with this one. Scheduling, work has been getting in the way, and the reason has been weighing heavy on my heart. I can't lie, I'm excited for this one. I don't think you guys are ready, but if you are, I'm Tay2 Customs, and this is what I do, and the crepe will drop. I'm hitting you guys with the Nike Air Force One Urban Artwork Custom, a Nike Air Force One with orange brick pattern on the uppers and midsole, dressed with urban artwork graffiti, a Nike swoosh elite, and wrapped up in chunky white lace.
Oh my god.
Guys, I can't tell you how proud I am of not only these shoes, but everybody that's going through a hard time, I'm pushing on. Young king, young queen, not everybody is your enemy. You don't have to fight all the time. Listen, if you're feeling the content, then please do like, subscribe, turn the notifications on, all that good stuff. And we'll be back with another certified custom. Listen, God bless, and remember to always walk in your creativity. Peace.